Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I color my hair this chocolate brown ombre color. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the curls that I did at the end just really brought everything together. This hair is really cute. So this hair that I'm using is West Kiss hair, and I have their Peruvian straight hair. The longest bundle I have is 20 inches, which I did not use, and the shortest bundle I have is 16 inches. For this, I only use 2 bundles because whenever I use frontals, I only have to use 2 bundles. So I use the 16 inch and the 18 inch, and then as you can see in the next clip, I ended up cutting it down a little bit. Please don't judge my filming room. It is a mess, especially when I'm working and especially when I'm making a wig. There's hair everywhere, bundles, everything, so don't judge. I just cut out the part of the dome cap that I don't need anymore, and my wig is completely done, so now I'm about to cut the hair. So for this look, I wanted to switch it up. I'm usually middle part, long, straight hair type of girl, but for this I want to do something different. So I did a side part, and then on top of that I went in and cut it some more, like a long bob. Like I just knew I wanted to hit like at shoulder length. So 16-18 inches, I knew it would be easy for me to cut to the length that I wanted. And this little cutter thing that they have in the front of the beauty supply store when you go to check out, oh my god, it helped me so much cutting the hair because I suck at cutting. I'm not professional, didn't do any of that. So this helped me so much getting the look and length that I wanted. So now it's time to color the hair, and I'm using the Quick Blue Bleach by L'Oreal, and I'm using 30 Volume Developer. I use the Quick Blue because it tends to have a better look than the BW2 bleach. The BW2 bleach tends to be more orangey toned, and it just does not look as good when you're trying to like do a color bleach the hair. I usually use that bleach to bleach the knots on my frontal, but in this case I didn't because I already had the blue bleach out, so I just did that as well. You'll see at the end. And I usually use 40 Volume Developer, but in this case I wanted to be able to watch the hair turn. I didn't want it to turn so fast because I knew it would take me a little bit of time to get it on the hair, and I knew I wanted brown and not blonde, so I did 30 instead of 40. And another thing, guys, don't judge how I look. This is just me at my home chilling, and in this moment I really was not feeling good. Like I was feeling so sick while I was filming this, so please don't judge me. I'm so like, oh my god, looking back at this I look horrible, but I mean it is what it is. Like we're family here, right? Like you guys subscribe, like you are basically my girlfriends, okay? So don't judge. I started at the end of the hair and I worked my way up. I sort of wanted like a blonde tip, and it didn't work out like that. I mean, it really didn't matter because I knew I wanted brown, but I sort of wanted the tips to be a little bit lighter, and also I still wanted the hair to be a shade lighter than when it came out. But I mean, it still turned out good, and it was just, you know, tiny minor things. I just didn't let the bleach stay on there long enough. After I finished coating the entire hair, I let it sit for maybe like 10 minutes and I took it out because it was already processing while I was putting the bleach on the hair. You guys know what I'm trying to do. So I just slowly worked my way up, and I left about a good 3 inches of hair at the top that did not have any dye on it because I wanted an ombre look. Here you can see I worked in like 3 sections, the 2 ends and in the middle. It's really nothing special. It's just something that I did in the moment, and I mean it worked out. So this is the hair after I have rinsed out the bleach and blow dried it. I know I said I would show you guys how I bleached the knots, but I can't find that in the video while I'm editing. So all I did was, after I put the bleach on the hair, I just took the wig off of the stand and just literally like pasted it on the knots of the frontal. I mean, it's hard to explain, but I literally just bleached the knots after I finished bleaching the hair. Nothing to it. I mean, simple. So this is the hair after it's washed and blow dried, and now I'm just cutting the baby hairs that I want. So I did curl the wig off camera, but I'm going to show you guys how I did that in another video, how to get these really nice sort of beachy wavy curls once I, you know, style it or whatever, you'll see. But now I'm just going to apply the wig. So I am using the Got To Be glue in the black bottle, and I am doing a new technique where I just keep lace on there and then apply the wig. I personally think that it would have looked a lot better if I had no makeup on and applied the wig. Next time I am going to try to do it that way, but the lace looks so good. Even though I didn't do like it perfectly, I think that the lace on from this West Kiss hair looks so good. So I'm not gonna make you guys watch me apply wig for like the 1500th time, but I'm just gonna skip all that. The application could have definitely been a little bit better if I had have done it without any makeup, because you can see like where my makeup has like faded from the glue or whatever. But I think that the making of the frontal wig, I'm getting better at it, and the styling. So, you know, it just takes practice. That's what I tell everyone who comes and says, how did you learn how to make wigs? How did you learn how to do makeup? It just takes practice. But that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out West Kiss hair. I mean, this is just like one of my cutest styles. Regardless of the application, I just really think that this style is everything. This hair is amazing. I absolutely love West Kiss hair. I definitely suggest you go get some, whether it's the curly bundles, the straight, wavy, whatever. Their hair is always bomb. So definitely check them out. All the information will be down in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.